Hey, what if I told you that instead of just using AI, you could actually get paid to break it? We're going to dive into this really cool challenge that literally rewards you for finding the weak spots in artificial intelligence. So let me ask you this. Do you think AI is perfect? I mean, we all use it every day, right? And yeah, it's incredibly powerful, but let's be real. We all know it's not perfect. It makes mistakes, it has biases, and sometimes it just comes up with some really weird stuff. And that's exactly the big idea here. This is a call to action. It's not about passively accepting whatever an AI tells you. It's about actively poking it, testing it, and pushing its limits. It's about using that unique human brain of yours to help make the machines smarter. Okay, so you might be asking, how do I do that? Well, that's where the Codatta Airdrop Season 1 Challenge comes into play. It's this whole event designed to reward people like you for putting those big AI models, the brains behind tools like ChatGPT, to the test and finding where they fall apart. The whole thing runs on this really cool model called Engage to Earn. And let's be clear, this is not about mindless clicking for a few cents. This is about valuable engagement. It's your creativity and your unique insights into finding AI's blind spots that actually earn you the rewards. All right, let's get to the good stuff, the part you really want to know about. What's actually at stake here? The prize pool is pretty massive, so let's break it all down. Get ready for this. The total prize pool is a whopping $2.5 million XNU tokens. These are the digital rewards for the Codatta ecosystem, and that's the total value that's up for grabs for everyone who jumps in. Now, this isn't just one giant free-for-all. It's actually split up pretty cleverly. 1.5 million tokens are set aside just for completing specific tasks, so you earn just by participating. The other million? Well, that's reserved for the top performers on the leaderboard, so it encourages everyone to play, but also rewards the best of the best. And hey, it's not just about the tokens. There are also 14 million Codatta points on the table. Think of these kind of like your score in a video game. They're what determine your rank on the leaderboard, and they're the key to unlocking those top-tier prizes. So, to put it simply, you've got two main ways to earn. You can focus on completing tasks, just racking up rewards that way, or you can shoot for the stars and try to climb that leaderboard. Better yet, do both. Maximize what you can get out of this. And what about for the person who gets to the very top, the #1 spot on that leaderboard? We're talking a grand prize of 80,000 X and Y tokens. Yeah, that's a huge incentive to really bring your A game and find the most interesting AI fails out there. All right, feeling fired up? Ready to start breaking some AI? Let's walk through how you can join. Don't worry, they've made it super straightforward. First things first, the timeline. This is a limited time event, so you gotta be quick. It already started on October 13th, and it's only running for 2 weeks, which means it wraps up on October 27th at 9 UTC. The clock is definitely ticking. And getting to the challenge page itself is ridiculously easy. Seriously. All you have to do is go to the Codatta web app, and once you're there, just find the airdrop button on the sidebar and click it. That's it. 2 clicks and you're in. And you know what? To make it even easier for you, here's the direct link right on your screen. You can just pause here, type that into your browser, and you'll land right on the challenge page, ready to go. So there you have it. The mission is clear, the prize pool is huge, and getting started is a piece of cake. This is your chance to go from being just a passive AI user to an active participant in shaping its future. This one quote really just says it all, doesn't it? It's an invitation to use your human creativity, your critical thinking, to find those weird edges where AI messes up and to get rewarded for that super valuable work. So I guess that leaves us with just one final question. When you start pushing these complex systems, when you start asking the questions that maybe nobody else has thought to ask, what will you discover?